Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your phone uses the same number as your bank account, and Google Pay is updated. Once done, open Google Pay and tap your profile or menu to access payment methods. Make sure to grant SMS and phone permissions so Google Pay can verify your mobile number automatically. Now choose Add Bank Account. The app will detect banks that support UPI. Follow on screen prompts to proceed to UPI setup. This is the first actionable move to create your UPI ID. You now create the actual UPI ID. After selecting your bank, Google Pay sends an OTP to verify your number. Enter it when prompted. Once verification succeeds, the app prompts for a UPI ID. Either accept the suggested ID or customize one within allowed formats. Then set a 4-6-digit UPI PIN linked to your debit card. This PIN secures every transaction, so choose something memorable but not obvious. Finally, confirm the PIN by re-entering it and allow the app to finish linking your. You finish by confirming the UPI ID is visible under Profile Bank Accounts and performing a small test payment to ensure the PIN and ID work. If the payment succeeds, you're ready to receive using that UPI ID. Share it exactly as shown. If something goes wrong, make sure your SIM is active on the same phone, retry OTP verification, and recheck bank linking. If errors persist, clear app cache or reinstall Google Pay. Then repeat the bank selection and OTP step to resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.